Hi guys, hope you bought some cryptocurrencies yesterday. We had a really nice breakout. We can see here from the chart Bitcoin USD that we already had actually a first breakout on the 1st of April, but just it didn't ignite a significant uptrend, so we went lateral for 4 or 5 days before the actual breakout. So now the question is, maybe you bought in these days and you are waiting for the right moment to take profit or completely close your position, depending on the time frame of your strategy. So I think that one interesting thing that you can do at this point is to look at we are here on the 4-hour time frame and we set up a moving average with 9 periods. So I think that we can see historically every time that there is a very strong uptrend and then the price retraces below the moving average 9 period, or we have a severe price drop, or maybe we don't have such a strong reaction, but just like in this case, the price starts to go lateral. We call it walking on the line when the price is bouncing up and down, and you really don't want to be inside of the trade with a trend following strategies. There are other strategies that catches better this market cycles, and just looking at the moving averages, it's just not a good fit. So if you just bought yesterday and you are looking for a good time to sell part of all your position, one thing that you can do is to wait for the moment in which the price crosses below this moving average. This is something that you can automatically set up with CoinRule. So here we are on our rule page. Let's select, for example, Demo Exchange. In the event, I want to select Bitcoin. From the drop down, first, let's select a random moving average just to enable the option crossing above, crossing below. In this case, I want to trade with the moving average 9 period. Let's go back and let's select price. In this case, select time frame of 4 hours, and let's add an action when this condition will be met. For example, I want to sell 50% of that coin back to my, maybe I want to sell back to a stable coin. So in this case, one other thing that is very interesting is that using this strategy, this approach, you are able also to catch potential further upside of the trend. So you don't know if the trend is exhausted, if you don't know if it's already time for selling, you are just leaving there this strategy because maybe potentially you can still gain from further upside of the price. Again, when the price, if the price will still keep going up, when the price will retraces below the moving average, at that time you will exit part of the position. You can view so this strategy as a trailing stop that based on a moving average. I want to execute it once, and let's call it sell BTC below MA9. Let's click on launch. A quick review. So if Bitcoin has a price crossing below moving average 9 period in a time frame of 4 hours, I want to sell 50% of my position back to my USDC wallet. All good. Let's click on launch live. Our strategy is set up. Let's see how it goes.